Good morning to everyone. Today I am walk through some of the most important building blocks of JavaScript like variables, arrays, functions, objects and loops. Think these are the five pillars that hold almost every JavaScript program. If you understand this, we can know about some in detail JavaScript. Let us discuss first of all variables. Let's start with variables. In JavaScript, a variable like a strong box of information. You can store your values like numbers, text, or even more complex data. By using of variables, we use some keywords like constant, let, and where also. For example, in JavaScript, let name equal to John and const age equal to 25. Here the name stores a string and age stores a number. The let is used when a value is might change later and constant is used when a should be stay constant. The variables as a little labeled jars which I will put your ideas so you can come back and use later. And next we can discuss about arrays. Arrays to media store multiple values together like a list of items. That's where arrays come in. An array is like a shelf where you can store multiple boxes each with own position or index. For example, see, let's create some array like using the name let fruit. In array there apple, banana, mango. Then print. For printing we can use a console.log. We can printing fruits of 0th index. In JavaScript array indexes starts from zeros. So fruits of 0 is the first item. Array are super useful when you need to store and process a group of similar data. Next of all we discuss about functions. Function is like a receipt. It is a set of instructions that can be. Let's not discuss about your functions. Function is a like of receipt. It is a set of instructions that can be used whenever you want. For example, JavaScript functions create. For example, we can write some function using the name greet. Here we can print hello plus name plus now greet else is hello. Here greet is a function that takes the names and print a greeting. Function saves the time because you write a code of once and use anywhere. Let us discuss about the objects. Now let's talk about the objects. An object stores data in key value pairs. Think a dictionary where each word has a meaning. For example, that we can take a car. In car we can have a brand, model, year. Here a brand, model, year are the key values that describes the car. Objects are the powerful because they can also store the functions, arrays and even other objects. In real world, most data deals with an objects. Next, we can discuss about the loops. Finally, loops talks about a loop allows your repeat code without writing it multiple times. The most common loop is for loop. Here, suppose take for let I equal to 0, I greater than 5, I plus plus console.log print the number I. These loops prints a number from 0 to 1. We are also have while loops and special loops for of an array for in objects. Loop saves us the time and make our code much shorter and cleaner. Finally, we can discuss about the examples. A variable stores a data and arrays stores a multiple values in order. Functions let use reuse instructions. Object stores data in key value pairs. Loops repeats the code efficiently. That's it. We can thoroughly discuss about the JavaScript's main topics.